Good morning, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're sitting in when you're seeing this. Welcome back. Me and one of my best buddies, we're gonna head up Mount Charleston.
I'm still shifting it. I'm still new to the fucking the magic shit, so hold on.
Alright guys, a little bit of a late start. Billy and I stopped by the resort here on Mount Charleston. Got some chicken wings, a couple beers, and
I drink a beer and I'm going.
we're heading up Angel Peak right now, and I went around this hill and Billy's coming down it. It's a pretty steep hill. Dude, yeah, I'm zoomed in on you with the camera and looks pretty cool. With my eyes, not on the camera.
That ain't bad, honestly. Just like fucking braking the whole time. Going up it might be pretty fucking fun though, honestly. I think we should do it up going up. Not bad at all.
Sweet! Alright guys, it is insanely windy. We're at our first obstacle here. No drone footage. I just got the drone back and it's so windy. But, god dang, it looks awesome. Look at those clouds. Yeah. Easy work. Oh, look at me. I got 35. So, so cold. Honestly, it wouldn't be half bad outside if this wind wasn't just hauling ass.
I remember one time we were coming up here and it was snowing and you were in front of me and I was following too closely, but you were talking for so long on the fucking radio and I was coming up and you were stopped and I was stuck in a spot where I was not going to be able to move forward if I stopped. I was like, shut the fuck up! Yeah, you're like fucking yelling and then I stopped and you like, as soon as I stopped you got off the radio. I was like, God.
It is absolutely beautiful out, other than the wind. You know what? I'll take it. I'll take the wind. It's all good. Adds a little dynamics to the weather, which is always nice. It's 3:30 right now. Sun will be setting in about an hour. Getting back on the normal trail here. Woo! More pinstripe, hell yeah. Rear locker off. Guys, it is so windy. It is rocking the 4Runner like crazy up here. So we're heading down the mountain right now. Sun's gonna be setting in probably about 30-40 minutes. It should be completely dark. It should be completely dark within an hour. So that'll be fun.
You got me now, I can see.
Holy crap, guys. My guy's just trying to take a leak. Guys, what better P view could you ask for? Outside of this wind. I mean, we got an alien spaceship hovering above Las Vegas. We got tobacco skies, and we got Billy. Just trying to... I hope this shows up on camera. Jesus. Oh my God. Piss spraying everywhere. That was awful. And I'm sorry you had to see that, but I thought it was hilarious. Maybe someone out there will also find it hilarious, but that looked miserable. Hey, shit happens, I guess. Go faster! Don't you fucking stop! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going!
Pillow right in your fucking face.
Wow. Burn my eyes so bad.
Yeah, there you go.
It's a finger, guys. Chill out.